You open your laptop and you see an email from HR. Just because of one AI restructuring, your job is gone. If you're a working professional, if you're a mid-career professional between the age of 30 to 55, and you are thinking that your job is at risk, keep watching. This video is for you. I'm going to tell something about 2026 where so many mid-career professionals will have to move away from the job just because of one factor. Keep watching. What is the real problem? The real problem that you think is AI, but actually it is not AI. You think that AI is going to replace your job. AI is not going to replace your job. AI is going to replace those jobs which are repeatable. AI will only replace your job when your organization thinks that AI agent can do your job. One important thing. Till date, you have tied your identity to the job title. I was listening to some video or something like this where I have heard from someone that after 10 years or 20 years of experience, if you still have to introduce yourself by your organization name, then you haven't done a lot. And for me, 2 years ago, also this was my introduction. My identity was my job title. Hey, I am XYZ. I was the assistant professor. I was assistant professor with XYZ. So stop this wrong identity. You are not the HR head or the CIO with XYZ or the X manager with XYZ. Move from this. The right identity is problem plus outcome. So for me, I am a digital economics advisor. I help working professionals create parallel income and monetize their expertise without quitting their jobs. I am PhD in economics. No more I am tied to my job title. My job title is my problem plus my outcome. The problem is your expertise is trapped in one employer. For long years, you have been working in one organization, or maybe you have changed many organizations and you have got 5%, 7% increment, and whole your expertise, your total expertise. For example, if you are a brand manager or a marketing manager with XYZ company, so your total expertise is trapped with one employer. The outside market doesn't know you. The key line is you need to bring your existing identity, your existing expertise into the open market, but in a way where job is still your safe. Secondly, you are building a parallel income, monetizing your expertise without quitting your job. So what's the better way? Let's talk about the better way. So the better way is career safe digital income. So what is career safe digital income? The career safe digital income is the income which is coming to you as a second income or a parallel income. I say it a parallel income. So I'm talking about a parallel income that is safe for your career. Now, what are these kind of incomes? How can an income be safe for your career? I'll talk about that. So you need to reframe certain points. You need to reframe from your job, your salary, or your expertise to the outside. For example, right now your job is you are a brand manager. Your salary is XYZ and your expertise is brand management. Now you have to reframe this. How can I convert this job to one client, my salary to one client payment, and my expertise is to helping people, like to help people in XYZ domain. I'll share the formula with you. Stay along with me and you will be able to reframe everything. Now, what is the core principle? The core principle is package the same expertise in the outside market. What you need to do is you need to package whatever you are doing. You are a brand manager, you are a marketing manager, you are a HR head, you are a marketing head, whatever you are, whatever you have been doing. Now package that expertise into the outside market. So we have just covered real problem, better way. Now I am going to talk about the 3-part framework. Now what exactly is a 3-part framework? What exactly is the framework? The framework is that you need to redefine by the problem solved. Like I said, stop defining yourself from the identity or the job title. 2026 AI will replace your job title, but AI will never replace your expertise served in the open market. So what is the solution? The solution is this. The solution is stop the job title intro. No more job title intros. Redefine by your problem. Redefine yourself by who you are, who do you help, and what is the outcome. I am Dr. Ashish Juneja, PhD in economics, helping working professionals to create parallel income without quitting their jobs, helping them to monetize their expertise. So now, who you help? Define who you help. Who are the people whom you help? What is the problem you are solving? Use this formula. I help X solve the problem Y, get the outcome Z. I'll repeat for myself. I help working professionals create parallel income, monetizing their expertise without quitting their jobs. Now, what is the important point then? The next is the framework. The second point is build a simple digital ecosystem. Now I am talking about the simple digital ecosystem. What ecosystem I'm talking about? What exactly? Right now you are working in a job, you are working in a company. There is a system. It's being said that people fail, systems work, or systems work, people fail. You are getting your salary because there is a system. You are going to your office, you are doing your job. There is a whole system around it. You have to build a similar kind of system around your expertise. Now, what is that system? So the first point is you have to create some kind of content. Like right now, you are watching this content of mine. Then from content, you need to have conversations. From there, you need to give the offers, and then you need to clarify. So CCOC is the formula you need to use, and this is what I teach in my Digital Economics Accelerator program. The third step for you is building the multiple income streams. When I'm talking about the multiple income streams, earlier it was a glorified term. Now it is not a glorified term. It is the need of the hour. It is a necessity. Like for me, one part comes from coaching, the other part comes from affiliate marketing, a very small from services, and another part from high ticket. So when I am earning like from coaching, from my Digital Economics Accelerator, I have my coaching clients. Then I am servicing the people also somewhat. Some part of my income comes from affiliate. So when you do 4 or 5 things, when you create multiple sources, you stop being dependent upon one employer. And the risk that you are facing right now, the biggest question that you have right now is, what if my income stops today? You are aloof of that. Now, how can you earn multiple incomes? One is one-on-one consulting or coaching. Then you can have a group coaching, or you can have workshops, or you can have digital products, affiliate partnerships. The goal is replace from one job, one employer, one salary, to monetizing your expertise with multiple offers, multiple incomes, multiple results. That's the formula. Now, I have shared the framework with you. When I've shared the framework with you, I have digital economics accelerator for you. How can you use this framework? I teach about this in my digital economics accelerator. Now, what is this digital economics accelerator? This digital economics accelerator is not a 999 rupees course in the market, readily available recordings, and then it's not a mass market thing. Who this is for? What exactly it is? It is a one-on-one personal coaching program to work with mid-career or senior professionals who want to monetize their expertise without quitting their job. So it's a kind of personal coaching program where I work with you one-on-one basis for the next 90 days so that you start from being nobody and you end at your clients and results. Who this is for? This is basically for the people who are with certain years of experience. If you are somebody who is with 30 to 50 or 55 years of age, you have some experience in the market, you have some expertise, you don't know what to monetize, you know there is some expertise, you have been working, but you don't know what to monetize, how things will work for you. This is for you. If you are thinking, if there is a thought in your mind that there can be a job loss, AI might replace things, or things might have change, this is for you to create results. The 4 pillars of my digital economics accelerator are: number 1 is clarity. Month 1, I start with clarity. It's all about clarity. Month 2 is authority, and the month 3 is stabilization. So I start with clarity. Together we work with clarity. Then there is offer. Then there is ecosystem. So helping you to be clear. What's your niche? What exactly is your offer? What is the ecosystem you will build? And how you will get clients? The investment. The investment is the investment of time, investment of money, investment of your resources. So if you are ready to work with me on one-on-one basis in the next 90 days, let's get onto the call. Inside the call, I will identify what are the things that can work for you. So in the free consultation call, I will review your expertise. I will identify your risk. I will map your path and check the fitment. You are interested, but are you the right fit for the digital economics accelerator? Can we work together? So during the first clarity call, I look at your risk ability. What is the risk? Is your expertise monetizable? Is there a fitment? Now you have 2 options. Option number 1, do nothing and continue whatever you are doing. And the option number 2 is book a clarity call with me. And let's get identified the risk, the topic, the path, and let's check the fitment. I'll have certain screening and positioning statements with you. Once I screen, I position, we can start working together. AI will not replace the job titles. AI will only replace some of the job titles, but not well packaged human expertise with solid income level. So if you are somebody, if you are somebody with the solid income level or years of experience, I want you to get into this consultation call. Because during the consultation call only, for this, it is beginning of 2026. I have opened a few slots this month. There is no charge for this. You can book this call for free. And let's understand who you are, what you do, what is your expertise, what can be monetized, what is the structure, where are you stuck, What is a fitment? Can we work together? See you inside the consultation call. The link is given below. Go and check and let's get into the call. See you.